Welcome to solverfy.
23.76. Why are fluorescent lamps more efficient than incandescent lamps? And the reason for this is basically in the names of them. Fluorescent lamps work by fluorescence. So what they do is they pass a current through a gas that emits light because of it emits light from the sort of atomic effects with electrons being excited. And then that light is usually ultraviolet, and so then the fluorescent part comes from the coating in the tube, which is why fluorescent lamps have this sort of white appearance, is because they're coated inside with material that fluoresces, so it absorbs light of a shorter wavelength and re-emits it as visible light. So this emits light from atomic excitation. Whereas incandescent lamps basically emit light, or not basically, they emit light from being very hot. Because as you heat an object, it starts to emit light. In fact, all objects at a non-zero temperature emit light, but usually the wavelengths of light that objects at sort of normal temperatures emit are long enough to be considered radio waves or infrared light. But if you get something hot enough, it starts to emit enough energy in visible light for it to appear to be glowing. But most of this thermal energy is not visible, though. It's still mostly infrared. So most of the emitted light is infrared and not visible. And so in order to emit a certain amount of light, you have to put in more energy because most of it's not visible. Most of it's not being turned into visible light.